Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today we are talking about parsley and how to grow parsley in a pot, indoor, on your windowsill, unlimited parsley, and you can enjoy all year around, even winter or summer in cold country like UK, and from seeds to harvesting. And so let's get started. So those are the seeds. You can see they are very tiny seeds like chrome seed, ajwain. So always try to have good quality seeds or not very old for good result. I just soaked them in water and left them overnight. When they are soaked, then they germinate very quickly and our result is faster and quicker. Now next step is soil. How to prepare soil for germinating our seeds. So this is very good quality soil I got from nursery, or you can get from your garden if you think it is good enough. And I found some granules. They are very healthy. They make our soil more beneficial for germination. But if you don't have, in case, either you use sand or you don't need to use anything if it is soil is good enough. And I will just mix it little bit, and then always try to have hole underneath your pot. In this way your excess water will come out easily, and then fill it, and then your seeds will go on top of it. Always sprinkle evenly. And now we will just add some water, little water to soak, and then top of it we will just have some more soil, very thin layer. Just cover all over, but always try to have very thin layer as much possible. And then I will just cover it and leave it somewhere on my windowsill where we have very nice wall, not direct sun. Just couple of days, you will notice then sprouts are coming, tiny germination is coming through. So just take it out and leave again on window, and just keep watering whenever you need, little bit at a time. Are ready to plant in a bigger container. All plants are transplanted in bigger containers. We have to keep them on warm place and keep watering as much as they need. Next step is, sometime we get insect. So for our edible pots or vegetable, we should not use chemical based insect killer. So what I do, I make my own. So it is water, normal water, and then 1 tablespoon of oil, and then 2 garlic cloves crushed in water, and then mix them very well. Spray on our plant from about 1 feet away, and always try to remember, just spray in the evening, then it works better. Now next step is how to water. Whenever you need to water, always try to see if it is enough damp, you don't need to water. If they not damp enough, so just water very less, small amount, as much as they need. Never over water. Now next step is, now you can see from this stem, you can see it is long stem, and then some side leaves are coming through. So it is better if we take this one out. That means the side leaves will keep growing. In this way, you can enjoy your parsley all year around, every time in your home, and unlimited. They will keep growing year after year. Just you have to change this pot every year, like that. And then whenever you see, you can see here, these side leaves are coming. So take on top, and then these leaves will start growing from the sides. So here we go. Please share your thought in my comment box. If you like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends who likes this sort of videos and who likes gardening. And thanks for your time. See you next time. Bye. Happy gardening.